I can't breathe. Look at this. You're doing this.
No.
Yeah, you are. I'm kidding, you are.
Why would I record you sitting there like... Oh my god, you just retarded. You were so stupid. Freaking hate all the Tyler.
I'm talking to Kelsey. I love Tanner so much more than you. No, I hate Tanner, actually. That's a bad name, probably. Ah! I was going to say Alex, but I don't like Alex. Let's see. I love Tristan so much!
You're a freaking horse.
I'm a horse.
A horse. You should rip up all the paper and throw it in the air. What was that?
What? I know. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I hate you.
What the hell?
Oh my goodness,
It doesn't even smell like him anymore.
Actually, I'm gonna go bang Tristan. Bye! No, I'm kidding. I love you. You have fun with that. That's two.
What was that?
I will not, because I'm having fun acting like an exorcist on the ground. But I will touch you. Well, now I'm a ninja, so.
Now I'm Harry Potter.
Actually, me and Kelsey were going to go over to your house earlier, but I'm against it. Okay.